Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today on my channel I'm just going to be doing a vlog video. I am currently going to be out of my job because of the coronavirus until April 20th. Today is March 17th, which is when I've decided to record. While I'm out from work, or while I'm out from my main job, I'm going to be doing my second job, which is Shipt. I've been working with Shipt for almost 2 or 3 weeks now, and it's been kind of crazy because I feel like I joined during the most insane period of Shipt, because a lot of people are using personal grocery delivery companies to get their groceries so that they don't have to leave their homes. I am currently waiting outside of Target. I'm outside of Target. I'm waiting for Target to open so I can start my orders for today. I think I have about 6 orders that I've claimed to do today up until 3 o'clock, because I do get to set a time limit and a schedule with Shipt. If you guys have never used Shipt for your grocery orders, I'm going to put my code down below. If you use it, I think you get a certain percentage off your first order, or free delivery or something like that. I will leave more information in the description box down below. I'm gonna see you guys when we get there, and hopefully the lines won't be so crazy, and maybe I can successfully get something for these people that I'm shopping for, because I would love to. I know, like, it's sad to think that people who were working so hard last week didn't get the opportunity to shop for their families, and now that they do have the opportunity to shop for their families, there's nothing for them to buy. It's really crazy where this is going, right? Well, hopefully this gets resolved soon. And if you'd like to see how I'm handling orders and what it's like to be a Shipt shopper during this time, stay tuned and keep on watching. It's 5 minutes until Target opens, and people are already lining up. Target opens in 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes, and the chaos begins. They're letting us in. We can go in now. This is crazy, guys. Look at how empty everything is. Let's go peek in the toilet paper aisle if they've added anything. There's one thing of toilet paper. Oh, they did add some paper towels. Toilet paper. Empty. It's a ghost town, unless you want paper plates. So I just successfully finished shopping for 4 different people right now, and I'm about to head off and delivering them. I have 2 orders that need to be delivered between 9 and 10, and it's currently 9:39. So I'm gonna try my best just to get to them quickly. When you're working with Shipt, it's really important that you communicate with your customer. So for this order, I actually had been texting the customer, and she informed me that she was out walking her dog and told me to leave everything in the front of the door. But I happened to make it back in time, and we bumped into each other as I was leaving. And it's really good to communicate with your customers so that they know when you arrive at the store, when you're done shopping, if you can't find an item, and when you're on your way. This also helps give you great ratings as a Shipt shopper. You are not required to enter into a customer's house in order to drop off groceries, but I did so in this case because it was an elderly couple and they had a really high flight of stairs going up into their apartment, and they needed help. I
ended up not recording as much as I thought I would today because it was kind of hard to record on my phone, and also do my Shipt orders on my phone as well. So if you guys do like the shop with me while I work at Shipt, let me know and I can make more videos. Or if you want tips and tricks on what to do as a Shipt shopper, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.